At the market, you buy 3/4 of a bag of rice. The seller writes 0.75. Same amount, two faces. How do we switch between them? A vulgar fraction has a numerator over a denominator. A decimal uses a point to show parts of a whole. Today we convert, add, subtract, multiply, and divide both forms. To turn a fraction into a decimal, divide top by bottom. 3 divided by 4 gives 0.75, which ends. But 1/3 gives 0.3, repeating forever. To convert a decimal back, write it over 1 followed by zeros. 0.625 becomes 625 over 1000. Then cancel common factors to get 5 over 8. Example 1. Add 2/3 plus 1/4. The denominators are different, so we find the lowest common multiple, which is 12. We rewrite both fractions with denominator 12. Adding the numerators gives 11 over 12. Dividing 11 by 12 gives 0.916 recurring. Notice the 6 repeats forever, so we draw a bar above it. Example 2. Multiply 0.4 to 2.5. First, change both into vulgar fractions. 0.4 becomes 2 over 5. 2.5 becomes 5 over 2. Now multiply across. The 5's cancel and the 2's cancel. We are left with 1 over 1, which equals 1. Cancelling first makes the work much easier than multiplying big numbers. Many students add tops and bottoms straight across. That is wrong. You must find a common denominator first. Never add or subtract fractions until the bottoms are the same. Remember, find the lowest common multiple to add or subtract. Cancel before multiplying. To divide, flip the second fraction. Memory aid. Same bottom, same boat. Well done. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear lessons like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.